What's good, Foodizens? It's your girl TK and I'm back with another video. It's almost dinner time and we don't have anything cooked, so let's get in the kitchen. Now, I know we've all had those times where we don't have any food on the table and everyone is hungry, so you got to get something prepared quick. This is one of those times, and I don't really know what to call this. Maybe it can be called the chicken queso casserole. It's similar to, enchiladas without the, but there's no red sauce. It's white sauce. But overall, I'm just going to go ahead and put it out there. It's a struggle meal. But it was really good. I know we've had those times where we've thrown something together and we weren't sure how it was going to turn out, but it turned out really good. This was one of those times. And I'm going to go ahead and apologize in advance because while I have the ingredients listed in the description box, I don't have measurements for everything because I literally was just kind of going with the flow and throwing things together as I was going along. And sometimes, in all honesty, those are the best meals. I will say this, as you can see, it's getting a little chaotic here with, the stuffing of the tortillas and whatnot, and just tossing the remaining chicken on top. But you just have to trust the process. Just trust the process, and 9 times out of 10, things will turn out pretty well. So I'm just making the queso here to pour on top. And does it look kind of crazy how I'm making it? Yes, it does. But as long as the end result is good, I think that's all that matters. Sometimes the road's a little bumpy, but as long as we reach our final destination, that's all that matters. And again, I don't have measurements for everything. I do have measurements for the spices that I used, but as far as the cheese, the chicken, and a couple of other ingredients, I did not measure them. So, and this is an opportunity for you to kind of use as much or as little as you prefer. So if you like more cheese, add more cheese. If you like it spicy, add more spices. If you don't like so much heat, you don't have to use so many spices. I will say this, I did mess up in the sense that I should have added a layer of queso before adding the stuffed burritos, tortillas, whatever you want to call them, whatever you want to call the struggle meal. So I should have done that first. I did not. But it's okay. It turned out fine. Again, trust the process. So here's the end result. Before popping it in the oven on 350 for about 30 to 40 minutes or until it's done. And this is it. This is our chicken queso casserole struggle meal. But call it what you want. But it was delicious. So guys, I hope you give this recipe a try. Like I said, tweak it to your preference and let me know what you think. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time, take care.